So you're looking to start streaming on your YouTube channel, but you have no idea on how to get anything set up from using a program like OBS or actually just streaming in their web browser. Today I've got you. I'm going to show you how to set things up with a custom thumbnail, how to go ahead and make sure you set up your tags, title, and also get your description set so that when you go live, it is searchable just like any other YouTube content that you put on your channel. Let's get into it. Now we are going to need a couple of things to get YouTube streaming to work. Number one, you need a YouTube account that is in good standing, and you also need to make sure that you turn on YouTube streaming in your account so that it is active. And it also takes 24 hours from you turning that on to you being able to actually start your first live stream. So now that you've got those things out of the way, let me show you how to set up a YouTube stream, because it's not just as easy as going live on Twitch or on Facebook, because it's a platform that's discoverable. Let's get on the computer and we'll take a look at it. To start a YouTube live stream, the first thing you need to do is from your dashboard, click create and then go live. Now that we're on this page, you can see that there are three options in the left corner. You see stream, manage, and webcam. All these serve different purposes, but for right now, we're actually going to go ahead and set up just a simple stream using just your webcam, either on your computer or a separate webcam. And I'm going to show you the simplicity of just going directly live from YouTube without anything else on any other programs. So what you'll do is just click webcam and it'll ask you to create some basic stuff. For right now, I'm just going to name this test. I'm going to leave it private so I don't go live on my channel. And I'm just going to go ahead and click next. And it's going to go ahead and say smile for thumbnail. And that's going to be our thumbnail that goes up with this video. It says test. Mine's under science and technology. You can go ahead and edit any of this information by clicking edit. This is where you can do your description, change the title. You can also go ahead in here and change any of this stuff like your category. I'm going to put this under entertainment. You can put your tags if you keep scrolling down. You can do all the stuff you would do in your normal video directly from here. You can turn monetization on or off. You can tell what kind of live chat, where do you want it to redirect after, whatever the case. Set up all of that stuff. And then you get to choose what your microphone is and what your camera is. For right now, I'm going to choose this webcam, which is actually the one you see on the screen. And then my microphone is actually going to be my microphone that I'm using, if I can actually find it right there. Good. I'm going to click go live yeah. Cool. So we're live on my YouTube channel right now. And as you can see, I'm looking at my Sony, which is the little picture-in-picture box right here. But that you can also see I'm looking at my webcam. Hey guys. And so what you'll see is that we're live. It's real simple. You're going to be able to see how many people are in your video. You're going to see how many people have liked it. You're going to be able to get kind of feedback on how much audio is being used, mute yourself. And then you also can click to share this to wherever you would like. When you click edit, it'll give you any of that information if you want to edit it midstream. And then also you can end stream and see your chat. So this is a really easy way to go live without using a platform like OBS or Streamlabs OBS. So how do we do it if we want to use one of those platforms? So I just finished that stream right there and it says, do you want to edit in studio? And then that thumbnail just creeps me out. To set up a stream that's going to be using an outside program, there's two ways to do it. We can schedule a stream from the manage page, or we can go ahead and click the stream page and just edit everything from here. Me personally, I like putting up all of my streams ahead of time so that people can go ahead and have that page and click reminders on it. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and then all the stuff, the rest of the stuff kind of correlates if you want to go live directly from the stream page. So we're going to go ahead and click schedule stream, and it's going to say like, here are your templates from your previous streams. I'm going to go ahead and click create new, and it's going to give me essentially what you'd see when you upload a video. For right now, I'll create a title. I'm going to say it is test. Again, I'm going to put this under the entertainment column. Again, you get your description that you can do. When do you want it to go live? So this is the time that you want to go live, and you've already prepared people that when you're going to go live. I go live at 9 o'clock, so I'm going to go ahead and click this, and I can say, let's do tomorrow at 9, because I am going live tomorrow at 9, and we'll go ahead and leave that there. You can enable monetization if you're part of the YouTube partner program. You can upload your custom thumbnail here, etc. And you can change any of the other information here that makes sense for you. Once you've done all of that, you'll click create stream. And here is where your stream is going to be hosted. All of the information here pertains specifically to your stream. I'll go ahead and hide my webcam so you can see it. So everything you see here from latency, I'd recommend low latency, by the way. but you're able to turn on enable auto start, stop, DVR, 360 video. Do you want closed captions? All of this. You can choose all of those options that you would like. The only one I would recommend is make sure you turn on DVR, and then make sure if you want it to automatically go live after you've started your stream from your OBS, click on auto start. I don't like doing that, but we'll show you how to do that in just a second. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this stream key. I'm not going to unhide it, but we're going to take this stream key and this stream URL and put it into YouTube. So what you'll do is in OBS, you'll click settings, and then you're going to go to the stream page, and you're going to scroll down and put it on YouTube RTMPS, and it says primary YouTube ingest server, and then you're just going to paste your stream key right here. Once you've done all of that and you've clicked apply, you are done. And once you hit start streaming, you will see it pop up here on the screen. And so for me right now, I'm actually going to do that and click start streaming. And you can see that I just went live. You can see this just above. If I turn my webcam back on, you'll see that my webcam will pop back up in the preview. So make sure that you have set up everything inside OBS like you normally would. If you want a tutorial for that, check the description. I'll leave a Streamlabs OBS tutorial. It's pretty simple. Follow all that information as well. And what you'll see is now I have the button in the top right that says go live. So once I hit go live, which this is on private, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to click go live. Now this video is going to be live on my channel right now. Another problem that people see all the time is they'll click right here on the cogwheel and see that they can only get 360p out of their preview. That's just in the preview window, not actually on the main stream. But when you look at the main video on screen, like this is actually on YouTube with it being live as a private, you can actually look at it and see that I'm streaming at 1080p 60 frames. So what I want to recommend to you is that just because it says 360 inside the program, this is where it's going to be. So I hope that clears that up. Again, make sure you grab your stream key, put it into your OBS or your streaming program of choice, and then hit go after you've set everything up, and then click go live. And that's pretty much it. The biggest thing about streaming on YouTube is it takes a little bit of kind of setup to get things going. It's not as simple as something like Twitch or Facebook gaming or even something like Periscope or TikTok. This one takes a little bit of investment up front, but it pays off because YouTube is such a discoverable platform. So what do I recommend? Make sure that you go ahead and create a custom thumbnail that attaches itself to the content you're going to talk about. And number two, make sure you think of a title that is click-worthy, that is actually something someone's typing into the YouTube search to do, and you'll pop up among the videos that are already kind of short-form content. It'll say that you're live there. So make sure that you've put yourself discoverable when you're live, and it's not just a title of Darkened Cyrus playing video games or Darkened Cyrus doing this. Make sure it's something that's clickable because people will discover you on this platform. And that'll wrap this video up, guys. Make sure you check out the description for a couple of videos to help you set this up. Also, make sure you check out our Discord server. We have a fantastic community of people who are ready to help you on your journey to become a better streamer or content creator. And we have a fantastic set of events that are set up for the summer as well as for the fall. So go ahead and join over there. It'll be a great time. I'm Cyrus, and welcome to the darkness. We'll catch you next time.